Hello video creators, welcome back to our channel. If you've spent any time on TikTok, you've likely come across these kinds of split screen videos. They're often made using TikTok's split or duet options. Split allows you to upload one video and divide the screen into several separate sections, while the duet option lets you collaborate with others by recording your video alongside an existing TikTok post. But what if you want to take it a step further and create a video collage? You know, split the screen to showcase several different videos at the same time? Well, in this video, we're going to show you just that split screen TikTok shorts to dazzle your audiences. And for this, we'll be using HitPaw Edimakor. We've got 2 videos ready for our split screen creation. Let's import them into the video editor and drag them onto separate timelines. To ensure our video is optimized for TikTok, let's adjust the aspect ratio to TikTok's preferred size. Then, we'll arrange the videos in a top and bottom format. Select one video, move it to the top half. Then, select another one and place it at the bottom half. If you prefer the 2 screens playing side by side, simply adjust their positions accordingly. Also, you can import more videos and split the screen into more sections as you want. Adding some text can enhance our video's message. Let's include some catchy captions. That's it. That's how your video will look. And now, export our TikTok-ready split screen video. Click the Export button, select the TikTok and Shorts option and hit Export. Thanks for joining us on this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.